In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon Prime using a different account. Whether you're sharing an account or switching to a family members, it's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to amazon.com. This will take you to the Amazon homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll need to sign out. To do this, hover over to your account and simply tap on sign out. After signing out, you'll be redirected back to the home page. Now here you can see the sign in button. Tap on it, you'll see the login screen. Enter the email address or phone number associated with the Amazon Prime account you want to use and then click on continue. Then enter the password for that account and simply click on sign in. It may take a moment, but you should be logged into the new account. Now you can access all the benefits of Amazon Prime, including Prime Video Music, Prime Music, and more. Thanks for watching, and that's it. You've successfully logged into Amazon Prime with another account.